Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how I patch up pants. Over time I get a lot of holes in my pants, especially around the inner thigh area. That's because that's where a lot of friction happens, and over time the fabric wears out in that specific area. So today I'm just going to show you a way that I like to patch them up. So let's get started. So one part that I already did beforehand was make the patch. All this, as you can see, is just lines of stitching, and this is the front. On the back, what I did was just stitch a full line, pivot to the side, go back up, pivot to the side, go back down, until I reached the end of the thread. And when I reach the end of the thread, I just tie a knot and restart again. So this piece will be used as a piece of reinforcement cloth to put under the actual pair of jeans, which I will be repairing in this video, which is right here. So this piece of fabric will be put underneath the hole here. Basic supplies you'll need: some pins. Right here I've got some yellow head kind of long pins right here. Make sure they're sharp. I have some white cotton thread, and this is what we'll be using to make the little stitches to patch it all up. And of course you need a needle. This for my last couple pair of pants. So far it's been holding up pretty well. If you guys know of any better ways, I'd love to know. But this is fun for me to do, and I think a lot of you would find it fun too. So right now I just finished patching up all the lines, so I only went in one direction. Here, back up to the other side, back up to the other side. And so I'm going to flip it. So what we had originally was just this big gaping hole on the jean leg. And what I did with the patch was just put it underneath and sew lots and lots and lots of tiny little stitches across the entire hole, making sure to get all the spaces, especially on the edges, because you don't want it ripping further. But this is just a decorative way to reinforce a piece of fabric, part of your clothing that is wearing out. So now that we're done, this is the final product. So it's all tiny little stitches on the front of the knee. Yeah, fairly straightforward and simple way of patching up a piece of clothing that you've worn out. If you found this useful, let me know. And yeah, till next time.